Hello, I'm Dr. Ken Hansraj. I am an orthopedic spine surgeon focused on the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar spine, and on something deeper. I see the spine as the foundation of human possibility. Through biomechanics and healing innovation, my work helps people to stand taller, move with confidence, and reclaim their lives. In surgery, I use the Colorado Microdissection tool to perform knifeless surgery, decompressing nerves with precision, preserving vital anatomy, and helping patients recover faster and more gently. Endoscopic spine surgery. These are ultra minimally invasive, precision techniques I use to relieve nerve compression, restore function, and help my patients recover faster with less disruption in their lives. Bloodless spine surgery. My meticulous, minimally invasive approach designed to reduce tissue trauma, preserve anatomy, and support faster and safer healing. Red blood cell salvage. Advanced technology I use to conserve a patient's own blood, enhancing surgical safety and support a smoother, stronger recovery. The Y-shaped closed-loop Jehovah's Witness protocol. This is my meticulous blood conservation system that honors patients' beliefs while maximizing safety, stability, and surgical success. Intraoperative O-arm. This is a real-time 3D imaging that supports my ultra-precise navigation, implant placement, and overall surgical safety. Modern operating room tables. These are advanced, high-stability platforms that support my precision spinal procedures, brain, spinal cord, and nerve root monitoring. I use advanced intraoperative neurophysiological surveillance that helps me protect the vital structures while I'm operating. During surgery, any motion or activation of a nerve root appears instantly on the neurophysiological monitor as a depolarization signal, allowing me to protect the nerves with meticulous precision. Motion-preserving solutions. Using artificial disc replacement and minimally invasive decompressions, chosen when they are the safest and most appropriate option for the patient. Stem cells are unique cells that can help repair and rebuild tissue. In spine surgery, I sometimes use them to support the body's natural healing during a fusion procedure, for example. Personalized spinal analytics. I use defined analytics guiding treatment decisions, uniquely tailored to each patient's anatomy, biomechanics, and goals. Spinal surgery algorithms. My structured, evidence-based pathways that guide precise, patient-specific care for the cervical, thoracic, and lumbar spine. Academic books and publications. My peer-reviewed research, surgical textbooks, and globally translated works advancing the science of spinal biomechanics and healing. I'm grateful to share evidence-based surgical insights with colleagues and audiences around the world. I recommend rehabilitation strategies and a comprehensive post-operative wellness program built on my spine coach principles to optimize surgical readiness and long-term outcomes.